Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix Messenger Stories option not showing. So in order to do that, what you need to do is to just long press the messenger icon right here, and you will see in here the app info. Just click on that, and after that you will see in here the storage usage. So just click that, and you can see here the clear cache. So just clear the cache of your messenger. You can also clear the data, but it's up to you since you'll lose the data of your messenger if you do that. Then after that, let's head over to Play Store. Let's search for Messenger and click on this. And if you see an update button right here, update your messenger. But if you don't see it and you can only see an open button, then that just means that your messenger is also updated. So let's click on open. So as you can see in here, there's already a stories option. So let's click that, and you can now see the stories of your friends. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.